what you know.
You can't think unless you grow. You can't reap unless you sow. Only speak on what you know.
I don't even pay mind to things at all minor things. I'm not here modeling, I'm at monitoring the wiretaps and monitoring. Just as much as MCing, son to be gardening, cause these seeds need watering. Since I got anointed, I stopped loitering to save lambs from slaughtering. I sworn in a warn of the sort of things, living by the sword and that sort of thing. I'm not a supporter of the silent sing, it's more important to hear the silent sing. When there's no gods, where they gonna strength? When it's going by and it's signs of spring. So when your whole sinus is out of sync, your whole sign is on and y'all listening.
Gets deeper when you flow. You can't think unless you grow. You can't reap unless you sow. Only speak on what you know.
You can't think unless you grow. You can't reap unless you sow. Only speak on what you know.
My lines are shocking and my mind is option. My mind is locked in and my shine is proper. Your favorite MC is a rhyme imposter. Instead of Grammys, he should try an Oscar. Situation hairy like Chewbacca. Night get darker, mic apocalypse. Mean Boy Sam reach a higher level, higher octave like the opera. El Presidente like Barack. Flawless victory like Baraka. Taking Sonya Blade for a night, a lobster. Rice and vodka, I like the pasta. Maybe later on she unlock my chakra and get me off like Johnny Cochran. Johnny Cochran? You can't fight with my mic concoction. Stopping my light, that's unlikely option.
Gets deeper when you flow. You can't think unless you grow. You can't reap unless you sow. Only speak on what you know.
You can't think unless you grow. You can't reap unless you sow. Only speak on what you know.
I seen many come and I seen many go. Then I seen a lot hang around for the show. The greater your greatness, the more ungrateful. The greater your faith is, the more unfaithful. People is to say la vie, but when you need a symphony, don't send for me. The same cats once make you sleep on the couch. Be the same ones disrespect my house. Some talk about it, some people live it, and some are too lazy, so they just hear it. Folks cussing fuss with no focus. Instead of being themselves, they wanna idolize us. Cheat, no receipt, trying to itemize us. So you can sell the dream, but you can't buy us. Cause we priceless. Mind your business and don't mind us.